I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've forgotten your American Express PIN, don't worry, recovering it is straightforward. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Visit the American Express website. Go to the official American Express website and look for the login section. This is where you'll start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot PIN. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your account information. Provide the required details such as your card number, social security number, and any other requested information. This helps verify your identity. Step 4. Follow the prompts. After entering your information, follow the on-screen prompt. You may need to answer security questions or receive a verification code via email or SMS. Step 5. Set a new PIN. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new PIN. Make sure it is something memorable that's secure. Remember, if you run into issues, ensure your browser is up to date or try a different one. Good luck with your PIN recovery. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.